Hello everyone, this is Darwish. Let's discuss about array in TypeScript. Array, as it's defined in any programming language, it's about collection of values. Array, it's always static. Array, it allocate sequential memory block. Okay, so also one more point, as we discussed in variable, array also should be declared before they are used. So let's jump to our first example here and see. We are here defining array of type number and it have 4 values. As you know, array first index always be 0. So if I say I would like to type number, this is the name of the array of index 0, it will come by first value here, which is 1. All right, the first index of number 1, it will be this value. Index of number 2, this value. Index of number 3, this value. What about if I say index of number 4, which actually it is not there? Let's remove all of that. All right, so index of 4, it doesn't exist because this one 0, 1, 2, 3, only the last index it was 0, it was 3. Okay, so it will say undefined. Okay, this is first example here. Before we move to second example, I would like to to focus about how we gonna define an array. It's about variable, the name of array. Let's for example say it array ABC. Okay, and the type of the array. If you don't know the type, just say any. If you know, we can say string and just like that, and put some values inside your array. All right, so it's straightforward. This one, it doesn't have many index, it just have one index because all of this is just one word. And if you pass one more part, something like that, Angular, so right now this one will be index 0, this one will be index 1. All right, but if we make it in another format, something like that, all right, A, B, C, D, for example, and here like D, comma, come on, A, comma, R, etc. So right now D will be index number 0. Okay, so right now I think you understand about index. Let's move to our next example. Right now, for example, if we have an array of type number and we can allocate for this array 4 blocks. Okay, new array 4 blocks of type number, definitely, because we are passing the type here. Okay, and this is straightforward for loop. It's about iterating through this array. Okay, and it's gonna multiply the index by 2. So my first index is 0, so anything multiply 0 will be 0, and then the second one will be 1 multiply 2, 2 multiply 2 will be 4, and 3 multiply 2 will be 6. Okay, so to make it a little bit straightforward, something like that. Here we have only 2 index, 0 and 1. Okay, all right, so this is basically the first 2 example. Let's have here also 2 more example. Okay, for the sake of time, I prepared this one. Okay, so for example, if we have here 2 array 1 have value called Typescript and array 2 have value called Angular. How to concatenate both of arrays in one array? Also, it's about you're gonna type array 1 dot concat, this built-in method, and pass the second array like a parameter. So if you print that variable, it will say it will have Typescript and Angular. So right now you concatenate 2 arrays inside only one array. Okay, it's also about arrangement. If you start by array 1, so value of array 1 will come first. Let's move to pop, one of the most famous built-in method in TypeScript. For example, if we have here array of number 7, 3, whatever, it have a lot of numbers, and we will use pop. So just type pop, it will retrieve for you the last element of your array. It's about 2, 2, 3. But if you would like to print your array, let's call it numbers. Let's take it as a copy and just not like that. Numbers. See, right now your array doesn't have the last value because pop it returned for you the value and delete it. Return the value and delete it from array. All right. Okay. Also, you can also do another pop, so it will also remove number 11111. Okay. If we reprint our array again, which call the numbers, it will say have, you know, is all values without last two values. Okay. All right. So, you know, let's remove all of that. Take this array again. Come down here. All right. Let's name it numbers number 2. Okay, for the sake of the time. And let's try to add values to this array. You just come here, say numbers.2.push. I would like to push number 222 and just print my array. Come on, right now it works. It adds 222 to the last value of my array. All right. By the way, don't get conflict. You know, this array is just new. You know, this one is called the numbers, and this one is called the numbers 2. Because someone will say, I just you know pop 2 values from this array. So how come print it like that? Because I redefine. Okay, so relieve the you know misunderstanding here. We can use the same array again. Okay, this is called the numbers. We can push value here, for example, triple or double 5. Okay, and print it again. Okay, as you see, right now we are working on the same array. The last value was 111, then 223. Okay, we removed, let's remove this one. We removed by pop the last value, and by another pop we remove 111, and after we push 55. So right now the last value of your array, it's called it 55. So you know, push and pop, one of the most famous daily work of your array. We have also, you know, sort. Sort is very common, okay, to arrange your values. Also we have reverse, you know, for example, if you would like to reverse the character from beginning to left, also it will be reversing. For example, if you have, you know, something like that, A, B, C, D, and they would like to reverse to B, D, C, B, A, so we use array to reverse. All right. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.